The Skyjack SJ12 is an extremely compact, self-propelled electric vertical mast lift, which uses a synchronized 4-section inverted telescopic mast to achieve a working height of 5.66 meters and with a 227 kilogram platform capacity. With a low step height for easy access, it's the ideal choice for a wide range of working at height applications where space and weight are critical. Compact and weighing only 780 kilograms, the Skyjack SJ12 is compatible with standard elevators. Full-size non-marking tyres offer very low ground pressures, protecting finished flooring. The unique 0.41 metre traversing platform feature is released using a foot pedal. When extended, it provides additional versatility with an up and over capability. The 24-volt DC system uses 4 6-volt 220 amp-hour deep cycle batteries to provide a smooth, quiet operation with zero emissions. These provide more than enough power for a full working day. The front-facing upper control box offers an unrestricted view and features a proportional joystick with a safety-enabled trigger, thumb steer, function selector switches, battery level gauge, horn and an emergency stop. Lower controls include a lift and lower function, a further emergency stop, a key ignition switch and a main power switch, which can be locked to prevent unauthorized use. 90-degree steering at the opposite end to the mast provides excellent maneuverability. The narrow width and low stowed height allows the unit to pass easily through standard internal doorways. When elevating, pothole protection bars automatically deploy and drive speed slows to a creep for safety. The SJ12 is also equipped with a tilt sensor, which halts the lifting and drive functions if the maximum slope is exceeded. All components are located inside the base and are easily accessible for routine maintenance. Simply slide the platform forward into the service position using the underside release lever. The battery charger, located at the rear of the machine, automatically adjusts to suit the power supply, and when the batteries are at full capacity, switches off to save power. Integral AC wiring with applicable connections are also provided in the platform to eliminate trailing wires when operators are using externally powered electrical equipment such as power tools. In the event of a power loss, the platform can be manually lowered using the emergency controls by pulling the override knob at the rear of the unit. If the unit also needs to be moved and is on level ground, depress the brake release knob and then push the hand pump. Once resistance is felt, the brakes are released. Before working at height, you need to develop a risk assessment and method statement to ensure you understand the task ahead and select the right piece of equipment and the most appropriate PPE for the job. You also need to undertake a visual and functional pre-start inspection before you use the lift, and when operating it you must also be aware of the surroundings and check for drop-offs, holes, overhead obstructions, electrical conductors and any other possible hazards or obstructions. If you're in any doubt, consult the operator's manual or ask your supervisor. Remember, all operators must have successfully completed a MEP training course, such as IPAF Category 3A certification, and be familiar with controls and safety systems. And finally, a couple of safety reminders. If possible, always avoid working at height, manual handling and exposure to vibration and dust. Make sure you select the right equipment and consumables for your chosen job by considering the task, the material you're working on and the situation you're in. Ensure that users of the equipment are confident and competent, and that the tools themselves are in good working order. Pay extra attention to plugs, leads, casings, bits and blades. Make sure the equipment is within its safety check dates and assess all of the possible risks, including exposure to hand-arm vibration, dust, falling from height, manual handling and noise. And of course, always use the correct PPE and follow any site-specific instructions. If you're ever in doubt, always consult your supervisor.